Hello Slaters! I hope you all are doing great. Slaters, did you all go through the third video for this chapter? Nice! Did you all make a family tree? Great! Wasn't it fun to do this? You must have learned so much about your family, isn't it? Very good. In today's video, we will continue with the chapter. So Slaters, please turn to page number 177 of your textbook. Ready? Nice. Now Slaters, look at the picture shown on this page with the two girls. Do they look similar? Yes. The children who are born to a mother at the same time are called twins. Twins can be similar in the way they look or may not look similar. You must all have seen movies that show twins, isn't it? They mostly show identical twins. Identical means to look similar. But twins are also non-identical, which means they do not look similar. These kind of twins are called fraternal twins. Now let's read about this. Children, place your finger on the text as I read. Look-alikes. Varuna and Taruna are twins. They look exactly like each other. People often do not know whether they are talking to Taruna or Varuna. Often twins look like each other. But some twins may look different too. So Slaters, underline the word twins. T-W-I-N-S, twins. What are twins? Twins are two children who are born at the same time to the same mother. Did you all write it? Good. Now children, you must have seen twins in your school or in your neighborhood. Do you get confused among the two? This leads to a really very funny situation, isn't it? But do you know, you can tell them apart by checking their fingerprints. Yes, even though they are similar in many ways, the fingerprints of twins are different, just like all of us. Isn't that amazing? Now let's continue with the reading. 3 babies born to the mother at the same time are called triplets. Same way, 4 babies born at the same time to one mother are called as quadruplets. Now Slaters, tri means 3 and quadra means 4. So triplets means 3 babies and quadruplets means 4 babies. Do you know children, the Good sisters were born in the year 1948 and they were the world's first quadruplets who survived. They were born in the Westerly village in Bristol. Their birth created history, and many people thought that their birth was a miracle. The sisters were later popular with the name of Good Quads. Quads stands for 4, quadruplets. Now slaters, similar or different. Being together is the best part of a family. You learn, share, help and grow in a family. Isn't that true, children? Let's read more about this in the chapter. Being together. Family members share work at home. Surya's father helps in the kitchen. Surya's grandfather goes to the market to buy vegetables. Grandmother helps Surya get ready for school. Surya also helps his mother in setting the table for dinner. So slaters, you must have observed the same thing in your family too, isn't it? Family members share responsibilities and work at home together. During festivals, all the family members get together and work on the preparation of the festival. Some of us take care of the cleaning of the house and decorating it. Some help mother in making traditional food, while others help in going out to buy things that are important for the celebration. Children, can you tell me who helps you in getting ready for school daily? Yes, it could be your mother, father, grandparents, or even your elder sister or brother, isn't it? The family members always work as a team. Now let's read further. Family members love and care for each other. Mona's grandparents take her to the park. They tell her many stories. Mona loves her grandparents. So slaters, as we work together in a family, we also have fun together. Isn't it true? You go out and play cricket, tennis, football and all these other outdoor and indoor games with your parents. You enjoy going to picnics, to malls with your parents and grandparents. You celebrate various festivals together and share your love with them. Isn't it? Let's read further. Fun with family. We like to spend time with our family. We learn many things from our family. Aarti's aunt teaches her drawing. Gurpreet learns to play badminton from her grandmother. We do many things together. We celebrate festivals and special days with our family members. We go out for picnics together. It is great fun. We meet our relatives on special occasions such as weddings and birthdays. It's wonderful to meet them. So slaters, today we learned that it's an amazing feeling to be a part of a family. We have fun together, we share our work, we learn from our parents and grandparents, we share responsibility, and most importantly, we grow as good citizens of our country. So let's recapitulate what we learned from the entire chapter. We learned about types of families like nuclear family, joint family, single parent family and adopted family. We learned about relatives and family tree. We learned that our parents and grandparents inherit or pass over several traits and features to their offsprings or children. We also understood that within a family we share responsibilities. We work together and we have fun together. We also learnt various new words like nuclear family, joint family, single parent family, adopted family, paternal, maternal, qualities, abilities, hereditary, generations, physical features and twins. So Slaters, before I leave, I would like you to list down 5 things that you share as a responsibility or do as a fun activity with your family members. We will meet you in our next video session where we will also discuss about this. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.